Hello, everyone. This is how I love geometry. I'm Mr. Chan. This problem is from 2014. I need to problem number 14. First, let's read the problem. So the problem says in triangle ABC, AB equals 10, angle A equals 30 degrees, and angle C equals 45 degrees. Let edge D and M be points on line BC, such that AH perpendicular to BC, angle BAB equals angle CAB, and BM equals TM. This is using M is the midpoint. This means there is M angle bisector, right? So what's that? It's AD, right? Okay. Point M is the midpoint of segment HM, and the point P is on the AD, such that PM perpendicular to BC, then AP squared equals, it means we should find AP squared, then the form is M over N, finally we find M plus N. So, would you like to try by yourself? Yes, first it and try the next. Okay. Now we can do it together. Okay, I draw the scratch diagram. Triangle A, B, C. That's origin triangle ABC. So AB is AB, and this angle is 30 degrees. The AD is this angle A is bisected. This angle is 45 degrees, and M is the midpoint. M is midpoint. It means MP equals MC. M is the midpoint, and the N also the midpoint of another segment. So it's the midpoint of HM. So it means HM equals M, right? That's it, the midpoint. But here is perpendicular. You see that? Yeah, the problem does. PM perpendicular to HP. AH also perpendicular to HP. So it means this side parallel to this side. So this is right angle. So of course we just make, or we can do auxiliary line P perpendicular to HA. So for the lateral, we can call Q. PQHN will be a rectangle. So, and now we want to find AP, right? And just analyze here, AP. We want to find the AP. So here, AP, and this is the right triangle. APQ, triangle appears right triangle. And this angle is 30 degrees. Why? Because this is 45 degrees and this is 90 degrees. I mean, in the largest triangle AFC, so they are isosceles right triangle. So this is also 45 degrees, and this is 15 degrees. This must be 30 degrees. 30 degrees, it means QP is half of AP. So if you want to find the AP squared, we just need to find PQ. Because PQ is half of AP. PQ is, this is a rectangle. We just talking about this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle. So PQ converts to HS. And we know HN equals MM. So AP equals 2 times QP equals, of course, 2 times 4 HM. So is equal to HM. Right now, the problem converted to this one. So HM, how to got HM? HM equals HC minus MC, right? HC equals HA because it's assessing this vertical angle. MC is just the one half of BC, right? In BC because M is the midpoint of BC, which is the next one. So now the analysis is almost done. So the problem becomes trivial, right? When we do, of course, we can use sine law to find it because it tells us AG is 10 and the angle is especially under 30 or 50, 45 degrees. But degree, oh no, it's not from M. We just do this from B, from vertex of the place, and then from B, and the PQ R, the PQ R. So this 60 degree, right? This is 10, and the PR will be half of 10 to the 5, and 1 square root of 2, 2, so 5 square root of 3. And then this is 5, and then this is 5, and the BC is 5 square root of 2, the 45 degree, 45 degree, 5, 5, 5 square root of 2. So now we got BC because we know BC. And how to get with the HC, right? HC, this is also at HC or HA. HA equals HC. Of course, now we know AC, right? AC over square root of 2. AC over the square root of 2 will be HA. Then this one is just 1 half of 5 square root of 2. So AC equals, let me change to this color, 5 plus 5 square root of 3, right? This one over which one? Square root of 2 and minus 5 square root of 2. Here you 2. Okay, this is square root of 2. So each side we can divide it by square root. In 2 divided by square root of 2. Right? So now they have the common denominator. Now 5 minus 5, nothing. So only 5 square root was left. Now, this is just AP. AP squared equals here, square root into 2. And this is 3, 25, 25 times 3, so it's 75 over 2. That's the AP square. And finally, we want to find M plus N. So M plus N will be 75 to 2, right? M, so equals 0.77. Okay, done. It's not so bad, right? Because we have a linear. Yeah. Just for some special right triangle. And that's it, right? We don't have a lot of skills to use here, not including a lot of theorems. But we can try another way. I guess I didn't try. So I mean, if we build coordinate system, maybe it's I think right? Also maybe get a coordinate system here, and then this is the x-axis, or maybe you can start this here, right? Maybe you can try. I guess. I believe you can solve it. Okay. I hope you can enjoy it. Yeah, see you next problem.